Alright, today we're going to take a look at a very nice Zippo. So this one came in a double box. There's a white box over the normal Zippo black box. And it says vintage high polish brass over the barcode. So here is the normal black box, and of course it was made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. This is the normal black box, and you can see it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And just one thing I have to alter on this thing. I don't need to see that P65 warning on my stuff. Because we know these days everything causes cancer. So here is the high polish. It's actually a mirror finish, and it says vintage look on the insert, which is really nice. It's a little different anyway. So there is the high polish brass with the slashes, upper right, lower left, upper right, lower left, very high polish. And the stampings on this say, even says vintage on the stamping. Made in USA, D of 22, April of 22. Stampings are very nice. Very slippery. And it has the brass colored steel insert. Of course, it lights up nice. Got a pretty good sound. Let's do a drop test. A lit drop test. So this high polished brass Zippo passes the drop test nicely. It's a good one. It does take fingerprints. And since all genuine Zippos are made in the USA, deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.